Greetings everyone, this is Miguel. Today we are delving into some profoundly transformative developments, ones that may compel you to reconsider your career trajectory. We are discussing artificial intelligence or AI and its impending revolution of the job market. Disregard your previous assumptions, for the future is upon us, and it is targeting our employment. Envision a world where robots undertake your tasks, not as a science fiction narrative, but as our reality. By the year 2030, an astounding 300 million jobs could be rendered obsolete due to AI. Indeed, 300 million. And this phenomenon is not limited to factory workers or truck drivers. It is also affecting white-collar professions, accountants, designers, even writers, perhaps not myself, but you understand the point. So, prepare yourselves, as in this video, we will analyze the top 5 professions that AI is poised to disrupt first. First up, let's talk about all my fellow wordsmiths out there. Yeah, you heard me right, writers. You might think your creativity is safe from those cold, heartless robots. But, think again. AI is already writing articles, blog posts, even entire books. There's this crazy AI software called Jasper that can whip up a 1,000-word blog post in like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, people. And it's not just churning out garbage content either. This stuff is actually good. Like scarily good. It's grammatically correct, it's engaging, it even throws in a little humor here and there. It's enough to make you wonder if I'm secretly using AI to write this script right now. Don't worry, I'm not, yet. But seriously, this is huge news for anyone who makes a living from writing. Think about all those freelance writers, journalists, copywriters. They're all in the danger zone. AI can do their jobs faster, cheaper, and arguably even better in some cases. It's a whole new world out there, people, and the robots are winning. But hey, at least I'm safe for now, right? I mean, someone's gotta write these scripts, and I don't think AI is ready to take on the Mr. Beast level of epicness just yet. But who knows what the future holds. Maybe one day I'll be replaced by a robot version of myself, churning out even crazier challenges and stunts than ever before. Next up, we're taking on the number crunchers, the tax masters, the spreadsheet wizards, accountants. You might think your fancy degrees and years of experience make you irreplaceable, but hold on to your calculators because AI is coming for your spreadsheets. We're talking about AI-powered accounting software that can do everything a human accountant can do, but faster and with fewer errors. I'm talking about programs like TurboTax, which already uses AI to audit taxes with like 99.9% accuracy. That's insane. Think about it. Why would you pay a human thousands of dollars to do your taxes when you can get the same results, or better, from an AI for a fraction of the cost? It just doesn't make sense. And it's not just tax preparation. AI can handle all sorts of accounting tasks, like bookkeeping, financial analysis, even fraud detection. So if you're an accountant, you might want to start brushing up on your coding skills because the robot revolution is coming for your cubicle. But hey, maybe you can teach the AI how to do a little creative accounting on the side, you know? Just kidding. Or am I? Alright, this next one is going to ruffle some feathers because we're talking about the artists, the creatives, the visual geniuses, graphic designers. I know, you thought your artistic flair and design skills were safe from the clutches of AI, but guess what? Think again. AI-powered design tools are popping up everywhere, and they're not just for amateurs. We're talking about sophisticated software like Adobe Firefly 3, which can generate professional quality logos, illustrations, even entire website layouts in seconds. You heard me right, seconds. Imagine being able to create a stunning logo for your new business with just a few clicks. No more back and forth with designers, no more hefty invoices, just pure instant design gratification. That's the power of AI. And it's not just logos. AI can generate all sorts of visual content from social media graphics to product mock-ups to even full-blown animations. So if you're a graphic designer, you might want to start diversifying your skill set because the AI art revolution is here and it's coming for your Wacom tablet. But hey, maybe you can team up with an AI and become an unstoppable design duo. Just imagine the possibilities. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite punching bag, customer service reps. You know the drill: long hold times, scripted responses, and that one customer who just won't hang up. Well, guess what? AI is coming for your headsets. Chatbots are taking over the customer service world, and they're doing a scarily good job. We're talking about AI-powered virtual assistants that can answer questions, resolve issues, and even crack a joke or two, sometimes. And the best part? They're available 24/7. They never get tired and they're always in a good mood, unless you're being a real jerk. Companies like IBM are already using chatbots to handle the majority of their customer interactions, and it's only a matter of time before human customer service reps become a thing of the past. So if you're working the phones right now, you might want to start thinking about a career change, but Hey, at least you'll never have to deal with another angry customer again, right? Maybe you can train the AI on all the best comebacks for those I want to speak to your manager types. Last but not least, we're coming for the data entry clerks, the keyboard warriors, the copy and paste masters. You might think your job is safe because it's so repetitive and tedious, but guess what? That's exactly what makes it perfect for AI. AI-powered automation tools are already taking over data entry tasks, and they're doing it with incredible speed and accuracy. We're talking about software like Google's Smart Fill, which can automatically populate forms, spreadsheets, and other documents with lightning-fast precision. Think about all those hours spent manually entering data. Gone. No more typos, no more carpal tunnel, just pure automated efficiency. It's a data entry dream come true, or a nightmare depending on your perspective. So if you're currently staring at a spreadsheet with thousands of cells to fill, you might want to start updating your resume. The robots are coming for your keyboard. But hey, maybe you can teach the AI how to play Tetris on the side while it's crunching all that data. Just a thought. So there you have it, folks. The 5 jobs AI is coming for first. I know, it's a lot to process. The future is both exciting and terrifying, right? But here's the good news. AI won't steal your job if you're prepared. The key is to stay ahead of the curve, learn new skills, and adapt to the changing job market. Don't be afraid to embrace technology and use it to your advantage. And who knows, maybe you'll even be the one creating the next big AI breakthrough. If this video freaked you out, and let's be real, it probably did, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We drop hard-hitting future trends every week so you can stay ahead of the robots. And be sure to let me know in the comments, which job do you think AI can't replace? See you in the next one.